I'm Maggie Bryan. Governor Polis signed a bill last Friday that will impact every federally licensed gun dealer in the state. The new law says dealers now have to get a $400 state permit in order to sell. Gun reform advocates say it adds another level of oversight to firearm dealers who should be held to a high standard. But one gun shop owner I spoke to says it's a useless fee.
I'm doing the assembly, going to add the stock to it.
Richard Riley has owned his store, High Tech Custom Rifles, in Colorado Springs for 2 decades.
Mainly build custom rifles and do repair work.
He also does occasional gun sales too, which means like any other legal firearms dealer, he's required to have a federal license to sell.
Very extensive background check through the ATF, Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms people, and they pretty much do a pretty thorough check on who I am and what I do and what my background is.
He says the federal license costs him about $200 every 3 years. Soon he'll have to get another permit to sell, a state permit. It's part of the law signed by Governor Jared Polis last week with the goal of cracking down on illegal firearms sales. The permit costs $400.
It's not right. It's just not right.
Riley says it feels like another fee.
Why? I already have a federal license. I already follow all the laws. Why should a state be able to tax me again?
The new law also requires background checks for employees every 3 years, more training on how to prevent theft, and random and regular inspections. Democratic State Senator Daphna Michelson-Janae was a prime sponsor on the bill. Her staff says the licensing system gives the state the power to have oversight of gun shops in the absence of federal oversight. Senator Michelson-Janae said in a previous statement, quote, "Requiring state licensure provides another check to make sure dealers are operating safely and in accordance with the law."
It's not the dealer that's going to break the law 99% of the time.
Riley says the law creates an unnecessary step for gun shops, most of which are already following the law.
Convicted felons cannot buy guns. They still get them.
Is there a piece of gun reform legislation that you would be in favor of?
No.
No.
No. Put the criminals where they belong. Simple.
Gun dealers have a little over a year to get this state permit. The law says they have to have it by July 1st, 2025.
But Maggie, where does the $400 permit go to?
According to the law, that money goes into a new firearm dealer permit cash fund. It'll be used to cover the costs of issuing those permits and also conducting the inspections that are now part of this law.